How to create a portfolio in Robinhood. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio in Robinhood to start organizing and managing your investments. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. And make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the person icon at the bottom right to go to your account page. Here, tap on investing, or you can also click on search bar and type in investing. After you tap on investing, this is where you see all the stocks you currently own. Now the next step is to create custom portfolio via watchlist. Although Robinhood does not offer a dedicated portfolio section, you can easily organize your investment by creating a watchlist. Tap on plus button and on the watchlist page to add stocks or ETFs you are interested in tracking. Now next is to categorize your investment. You can also group your investment based on themes like tech, healthcare, or dividend stocks by naming your watchlist accordingly. Final step is to manage your portfolio. Once your watchlist is set up, you can easily track the performance of your portfolio, see changes in stock prices, and make updates as needed. So this is how you create a portfolio in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.